Hey guys, I'm showing you this Mubview cameras for home security indoor camera wireless with phone app. It's a 1080 pixel battery powered camera, and I can just see you can see like the unboxing first. So the screws and the camera. It's a really sturdy small camera. This is the charging cable that you can use. This also have some battery inside. So this is a USB-C and these are the screws to fit it. And the good thing is that you can put this camera on the side, like in this hook, and you can also put on the screws so that you can adjust it. And this is a great like the movement here, and you can also put on top. So it's a charging thing here, micro SD card here, reset button and everything. So all set. So it's pretty straightforward small camera, and it can be used for indoor. And yeah, so once you fit it in this, you can just set it up. You can also use the sticky one and then put this USB-C. So let me just start this camera so I can show you the app and other installation steps. So I'm just setting this up and showing it, how we can do that. This requires a 2.4 gigahertz, the wireless connectivity. It have a human detection, siren and app alert, two-way audio, and the cloud or SD card storage. So I'm just doing this app thing here. So this is the app, the Mubview app. This is the sticky pad that you can use to stick this on any surface or the screws. So once this app is installed, you have to register. Once registration is complete, add the camera, choose the camera. So let's start this camera. It will ask you for scanning and setting up. So the good, it's a very tiny size, so no cabling place, or you can place it anywhere. So I just allow the app. The QR code will be scanned, and this will set the camera up. So once charged, you can see like this camera, and this have a battery backup, so it's almost a wire free. So you can use it with the wire, or you can use it wire free, and you can see the quality of the images it's capturing. So it's a great high definition capturing here. And with the settings, you can see it's two-way audio and all this siren stuff. You can set it up, motion detection, person detection, and all those things. So again, like you can see the quality here, and the person motion detection with a notification on your mobile app. You have to choose to set up the notification, and then you can just do it like this. So it's a nice tiny camera, security camera.